Okay, so we have here beautiful but distorted colonies of what? E. coli. Here it is. You can check the light pink color from here of the colonies, and I can surely smell it. Look at this. These were more beautiful a day before, and you must be amazed at why I am calling these colonies beautiful, because I am a microbiologist, and anyone who is a microbiologist, he would love these colonies, because these microorganisms are our passions and we belong to this. So here is E. coli that we have over here, as you can see over the plate. These were more pink, but now these are light pink. They were the dark pink when they were on their first day of growth, and these are pink because they have grown. They're grown over the Maccoknckey agar, and they are lactose fermenter. So obviously lactose fermenters produce the pink colonies over Maccoknckey agar, as you can see over here onto these plates. I cannot focus more than this, but you can check this out over here that these colonies are pink, light pink. In the next video I will show you the first day growth that will show us that we have E. coli over here. You can see it. These are isolated basically from urine, and these are infectious strains that you are looking at. Thank you so much for today's video. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.